Is your Samsung Galaxy Buds case battery draining faster than it should? You're not alone. This video will explain why this happens and how to fix it. Battery drain often stems from a combination of factors including software glitches, aging batteries, environmental conditions, and usage habits. By understanding these factors, we can take steps to improve battery life. Software solutions are often the first step in fixing Galaxy Buds case battery drain. Start by ensuring both your Galaxy Buds and the Samsung Wearable app are fully updated. Samsung frequently releases firmware updates that address battery drain issues. Open the Galaxy Wearable app, select Earbuds Software Update, then download and install any available updates. After installing updates, battery life often improves significantly. If issues persist after updates, try resetting your earbuds through the app settings to clear potential software conflicts. Go to the app settings, find the earbuds reset option, and confirm the reset. After reset, battery performance should return to normal levels. Dust and debris can interfere with charging contacts on your Galaxy Buds case and earbuds. Regular cleaning helps maintain optimal battery performance. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the charging pins inside the case. Wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Alternatively, you can use a cotton swab for more precise cleaning of the pins and earbud contacts. Be gentle to avoid damaging the components. Important, avoid using any liquids, water, or cleaning solutions, as they can damage the electronic components inside the case. After cleaning, inspect the case for signs of physical damage, such as cracks or dents, which could affect battery performance. Also check for battery swelling, which appears as bulging or deformation of the case. This indicates a hardware problem that requires professional repair. Regular cleaning and inspection can prevent battery drain issues. After proper maintenance, you should see improved battery performance. Certain features consume more power from the Galaxy Buds case battery. Active noise cancellation and ambient sound modes significantly impact battery life by requiring additional processing power. Use these power-intensive features only when necessary to preserve battery life. Avoid fully discharging the case battery regularly, as this can stress the lithium-ion cells and shorten overall lifespan. Partial charges are better for long-term battery health than always charging to 100% or draining to zero. Store your buds in a cool, dry place, as extreme temperatures can accelerate battery degradation and cause faster drain. Advanced troubleshooting involves checking which apps are using Bluetooth in the background. Excessive Bluetooth activity can drain the case battery as it constantly tries to maintain connections. Adjust app permissions to limit background Bluetooth usage. You can also disable features like Bixby Voice Wake Up if you rarely use them. All lithium-ion batteries, including those in your Galaxy Buds case, naturally degrade over time. This is a normal process that affects battery performance and lifespan. Several factors contribute to this degradation. The battery undergoes chemical changes during charge cycles, where ions move between electrodes. Over time, these cycles cause wear on the battery's internal structure. Age itself reduces capacity, and environmental conditions like high temperatures accelerate the process by causing thermal stress. To visualize this, let's look at how battery capacity typically declines over years of use. Starting at full capacity, the battery gradually loses its ability to hold charge. After 1 year of typical use, capacity might drop to about 90%. By year 2, it could be around 80%. By year 3, capacity often falls to 70%, and after 4 or more years, it may drop to 60% or less, depending on usage patterns. When should you consider replacement? If your Buds case is several years old and shows persistent issues, like fast draining, lasting less than 12 hours on a full charge, or failing to charge the buds completely, the battery may be nearing the end of its lifespan. If replacement is necessary, battery replacement isn't straightforward and should be done by professionals. Contact Samsung support for advice on your specific model or take your buds to an authorized repair shop. Qualified technicians have the tools and expertise to safely replace the battery. Costs can vary depending on the model and your location. Looking ahead, Samsung is integrating AI to optimize battery usage in Galaxy Buds. The Galaxy Buds 4 series utilizes AI that learns user habits and adjusts power consumption accordingly. Currently, this AI provides 15 to 25% longer case battery life through predictive power management. The AI learns patterns like your daily routines and conserves power for features you use most. Future models will incorporate even more advanced AI features for extended battery life. Samsung is also exploring sustainable battery technology for longer lasting, recyclable batteries that could last 10 years or more. Projections show 40% of audio devices will use AI for power efficiency by 2028. To wrap up our exploration of Samsung Galaxy Buds battery drain issues, let's recap the key tips for maintaining a healthy case battery. First, keep your Galaxy Buds software updated. Regular firmware updates from Samsung optimize power management and fix bugs that cause excessive drain. Use the Samsung Members app for automatic updates and perform resets when needed. Second, maintain clean charging contacts. Dust and debris on the case's charging pins can cause inefficient charging and faster battery drain. Gently clean the contacts with a soft cloth or compressed air regularly. Third, optimize your usage habits. Avoid letting the battery drain completely. Use wired charging instead of wireless when possible, and be mindful of power-intensive features like active noise cancellation during extended use. Fourth, be mindful of environmental conditions. Lithium-ion batteries degrade faster in extreme temperatures or high humidity. Store your buds in moderate conditions, ideally between 0 and 35 degrees Celsius. By implementing these maintenance practices, you can maximize the lifespan of your Galaxy Buds case battery and enjoy uninterrupted listening experiences for much longer. If battery drain issues continue despite these efforts, contact Samsung customer support through the Members app or their website for professional diagnosis and potential warranty service.